Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics or GA4. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you see what pages people visit most using Google Analytics? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to know what pages people visit most on your website using Google Analytics anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's important to know your website behavior because it can help increase conversions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to see which pages are most visited on your website, first you want to make sure you're working in the correct property up here in this section. Once you've chosen the correct website, here on the left side, you're going to click on Reports. Okay, once you click on Reports, you're going to see another menu pop open and you want to click on this button here called Engagement. Okay, guys, in order to see which pages are most visited on your website, there's two different ways you can find this. The most common is going to be the landing page right here. So if you're doing search engine optimization through MSN or through Google, this one is going to be really important because when you click here, it's going to show all of the landing pages. So this is going to be the first page that someone lands on when they're searching for your website on search engine. And you can use this more strategically place your ads or affiliate marketing, or maybe improve other pages that aren't getting that many visitors from the landing page. Now, the second one is going to be right here, pages and screens. So if you have a popular page on your website, naturally your users are going to gravitate to that page. So in this section, you're going to see all the pages in your website. So this could be their second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page that they land on after they land on the landing page. Also, when you're wondering what pages most people visit on your website, make sure that you change the timing. So this one is for last calendar year. So maybe you want to see the most visited page in the past 28 days. You can just adjust that right here. And then you're going to see a display after clicking apply. Okay, so this is going to see the most visited pages on your website over the past 28 days. And you can do the same thing for landing pages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering what pages are visited most on your website using Google Analytics, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.